Hey everybody. Got a few things done yesterday, so I'm a day behind. Humidity's 41% and it is a whopping 61, 62 degrees. No biggie since I didn't work today. Actually, I did work today. I got the flight deck components ready to be put on display. Got them fastened together so they'll be nice and safe at the museum tomorrow. But more on that in a minute. I'll show you what I got done yesterday. Alrighty. So I'm building the ductwork. Once again, for all of you who are new, the hot air comes from a big junction area in the wings. That comes from the 3 engines here and the 3 engines the other side. Some of the air goes into the tail. The other half comes in here. Here's what I'm building right now. I've built that part and I've built that part. So right here, I'll just go ahead and spoil you and grab the panel. Oh, man. There we go. That'll go like that. And right here, there will be a handle. And when you move the handle, actually, I lied. This is gonna sit back a little bit more forward. This will be here because there's gonna be a fastener here and there's gonna be a flap and a knob. When you pull the knob out, you can move that flap. So you can divert air up here or divert air there. And there's a picture of that. There should be a knob there, but there's that flap. It goes in there and you can see those holes. You'll be able to pull out. It'll be spring loaded and that'll keep it in there. Another interesting aspect of this drawing is the junction area where it tees off, and it's got a pipe or a duct that runs up the frame of the canopy, which will be right there. And that duct will run up into the Astrodome mount, which keeps that defrosted. Looking into the forward part of it, eliminate this. It's easier this way. You can see we're coming from these 2 areas here. One area goes down beneath the flight deck floor and it goes into the navigator's compartment under the flight deck. So it'll come like that and then go down like that. And then the other one goes over top of it and then down. So this one will go over top of it and then down. But on the first one that goes down, it also has a back T, and then that comes up and onto the side of the console. And then we've got one of these guys, if I can grab it. And once again, I can't remember what it's called. Diffuser. This one is actually off of a B-36. It's in bad shape, so I'll have to duplicate these. This should turn and it gives you, you can open these ports up, but it will mount right there. And then another one will mount on the center console, which will be here, and that'll be for the aircraft commander. Of course, that one is for the pilot. So down, over, up, and then another one will come up, tee off here, and that'll go up directly into the canopy. All right, so there's part 1. There's my progress. So let's go over here and I'll show you what I'm taking to the National Museum of the United States Air Force in Dayton, Ohio tomorrow. I'll be there from around 10 o'clock in the morning until like 10 o'clock at night. They're having an after parties event from, I think, 6 until 10. So I'll be at the museum or at the B-36 all day long. I got a RB-36E main flight engineer's panel. I got early B-36 20mm ammunition belt, late model 20mm belt. That's a polar converter. It's an interesting piece, which I won't go into detail right now. From what little I understand is when you fly north and then at the top of the globe, north becomes south, you have to reconfigure your instruments and your bombing systems and everything, so pretty neat. Got the center console ready to rock. The seat people can sit in. I think these are fascinating. These big rectifier boxes take 3-phase from the alternator and convert it to 28-volt DC. Of course, the B-36 was the first aircraft to use the 28-volt DC system. Got the main instrument panel here. Rudder pedal assemblies. Nose turret control box. Ammunition feeder or booster. And a APG-32 tailgun indicator. And then this is a RB-36E flight engineer auxiliary panel. I also have my 2 T18T boxes. Oh, that reminds me to put my combing in here. Jeez. And I've got under here various communication boxes, as well as the 2 antenna hand controls for the APG-32 and APG-41 tailgun system. So, it's going to be a fun day tomorrow. It's going to be a long day. Hope to see somebody there. I know it's a long drive for everybody, but I'm only 3 hours away. This is probably not going to be the highlight of the video, but I'm going to grab this combing and set it here so I don't forget it. There we go. All right. I'll see y'all next time. Maybe tomorrow too.